For contestant number 5, from Covina, California, under the direction of Yasu Ichikawa, Sounds of Harmony Chorus.
No one else could.